The struggle with spots and blemishes, they seem to be forever. Trust me, I get it. Today I'm sharing my personal journey with my clients, and more importantly, the solution that made a difference is niacinamide. Did you know that a lot of studies have shown integrating niacinamide in your routine can reduce dark spots and blemishes? It is a game changer for achieving clear and healthier skin. Now let us talk about how to incorporate niacinamide in your daily skincare routine.
Cleanser. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove any impurities. Now your skin is ready to absorb with the open pores. Niacinamide. Here is where our star ingredient comes in. Apply a small amount, gently massage into the skin. Serum. If you use other serums, apply them next. Moisturizer. Lock in the goodness with a moisturizer. Sunscreen. Do not forget sunscreen during the day. It is crucial to protect your skin. Start with a concentration of 5%, which is most common. Higher concentrations are to be used under the supervision of certified dermatologist doctors only. Niacinamide is backed by strong science. To quote from a study by top scientists at Procter & Gamble, a significant improvement in hyperpigmented spot appearance by 8 weeks. The multiplicity of effects and formulation benefits seen with niacinamide make it an ideal choice for a variety of cosmetic products targeting young and old skin alike. Try adding niacinamide in your routine and please share your journey in the comments below. If you are looking for more videos from us, do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos.